This is the final, ladies and gentlemen, for the #1 in the running to be crowned the Dream King of Yokomo International Dream Meet, Mr. Eric Bingalika. Alright, are you drivers ready? Drivers ready? Alright. Thomas all done with the picture taking. Ready, drivers? 3, 2, 1, go! Eric there, Mr. Lee Car very nicely, closely followed by Mr. Alan Liu. Judges home, Masani, 6.0, you went home 6.5 for you. 6.5, 6.5, 2.5, advantage for Mr. Eric. That might be Mr. Alan can redeem himself on the second run of our final. 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, Mr. Eric there, nice, calm and cool. Oh, putting the pressure on really close. Very nice line there by However, judges, do we need one more time or not? Do we have a winner? Or, wait, first of all, let me ask, do we have a winner already?
One more time!
A very heated discussion here.
Winner things are.
Alright, after some discussion with the judges, they would like to announce the winners here. So we shall not keep anything a mystery. So, announce the winners, yes. The winner and Dream King. Okay. The winner and Dream King of Yokomo, the Yokomo International Dream Meet 2011 is Masami-san, do the honors. Eric Liu. Mr. Masami-san and Mr. Ueno-san, thank you very much. We have a fantastic day of drinking here. Stay tuned, we have a prize giving and lucky draw. So please don't go back yet. We still have lucky draw dresses. Don't worry, we have lucky draw and a prize giving ceremony. Wow, you guys do not wait for the models. Okay. Please stay back for the lucky draw.